1960s, during the Vietnam War, American F-105 Thunder Chiefs and other bomber aircraft were getting picked out of the sky by the faster and nimbler North Vietnamese MiG-21 fighter aircraft during Operation Rolling Thunder. American bombers became easy targets for the North Vietnamese because of their predictable routes, patterns, and targets. In 1966, Colonel Robin Olds, a World War II fighter ace and commander of the 8th Tactical Fighter Wing, was determined to end North Vietnam's advantage in the sky. Colonel Olds and his team came up with a plan to trick the North Vietnamese MiGs into an ambush. This plan became known as Operation Bolo. Operation Bolo commenced on January 2, 1967. Led by Colonel Olds himself, 28 F-4 Phantom II fighter aircraft took off from Ubon Air Base, Thailand. To North Vietnamese radar, the Phantoms looked like slow-moving, easy-to-target bombers. That's because the F-4 Phantoms disguised themselves by using the same patterns and routes as the American bombers. They also used the same radio frequencies, call signs, and jamming signal equipment as the bombers. The North Vietnamese MiG fighters flew in expecting easy pickings and found themselves baited into a trap by American F-4 Phantoms. By day's end, 7 MiG aircraft were shot down, with 0 losses on the American side. The 7 downed MiGs was significant because that was approximately 50% of the North Vietnamese Air Force's inventory. Before the execution of Operation Bolo, Colonel Olds said to his men, "All right, you Wolfpack, let's go get 'em." And thus, the Wolfpack was born.